All right, Libby and Austin, if you guys are ready, we can go ahead and get started since it's now 12 o'clock. I have the recording going, so whenever you're ready.
Okay. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the iDigBio webinar series. This webinar is part of a series that today is jointly presented by the Education and Outreach Working Group as well as the Small Collections Network. This is the last planned webinar in this series, and thank you for those of you who have joined us for other ones during this spring. Mics will be turned off during the presentation, so if you have any questions, please type them in the chat box, and I'll be monitoring the chat, and we'll ask these questions to Austin at the end of his presentation. The webinars are recorded, so if you miss any of it, you can find the recording on the Education and Outreach Wiki. And we also have a survey that we'd love for you to complete after the webinar. Molly has put the link to the survey in the notes section of your screen. You can see it there on the bottom left, and we'll be pointing that out again to you after the webinar. So please take a moment to complete that when we are done here today. The survey results are really important to us and how we develop these webinars, so please take a second to do that. And without further ado, today's speaker is Austin Mast. Austin is Associate Professor at Florida State University in the Department of Biological Science, and he's Director of the Robert K. Godfrey Herbarium. Today he'll be presenting a small collections on-ramp for participation in the 2016 Worldwide Engagement for Digitizing Biocollections. Take it away, Austin.
Thanks, Libby. It's a pleasure and an honor to be asked to talk today to you about this. I hope to answer some questions, very practical questions about how to get involved in the iDigBio event as a bio collection. I'm hitting page down, and I need to be hitting the arrow. The group here is well aware of, I imagine, everyone's well aware of the fact that we have a lot of biodiversity research specimens out there, perhaps 3 billion worldwide. And for, I guess we can talk about it as decades now, the community has recognized that the digitization of those specimens should be a high priority for science, for education, for policy making, natural resource management, etc. We are